Alright, so today our chicks came in the mail, and this is a very exciting day. They were just hatched yesterday, and we gotta get them food and water ASAP. So before we do that, we gotta set up the brooder. Oh, hey Chi-Chi, you wanna come set up the brooder with me? This is gonna be the fun part. Alright, so we're gonna put down some wood shavings, and I'm just gonna continually add wood shavings every other day or so they can slowly build up compost for me, and then when I move them out of the brooder, all that compost is gonna go out in the gardens. Wood chips on her.
She likes it.
Alright, so I got the wood shavings down, and now I'm gonna get the food and water ready. And I'm gonna put everything up on a brick, so that way when they scratch around down in this wood shavings, they don't get it all up in their food and water. So this is just to keep everything clean and sanitary, so I'm gonna go fill up their food now. So chick starter is just like ground up corn and other grains. It's different from what the adults eat because this isn't enriched with calcium. And I got them organic chick starter that's unmedicated. And sometimes in farms they'll do medicated chick feed, and that's just, and I don't think that's the best practice, because why are you giving the chicks medication if they don't need it? It's almost like, why would you take an antibiotic if you don't have an infection? So I don't see the point in giving them medicated feed unless they're like actually sick. But my girls sound very healthy right now, so let's get them out of that box. So yeah, the chicks can come in the mail because they can go 3 days without drinking food or water, because that's typically, because out in nature when the chick hatches from an actual chicken, the mom needs to teach them how to drink and eat. So not all the eggs will hatch in the brood at the same time. So it ranges about like 3 days. So there'll be like about like 6 eggs under a chicken, and they'll hatch within like a day and 3 days. And then by the time everyone's hatched, the mama will get up. She'll teach everyone how to drink. She'll teach everyone how to eat. And then they'll follow her around for until they're fully feathered and can live on their own. So what you gotta do is you gotta open up the box. Let's make sure everyone's alive.
Oh my.
Alright, I gotta be careful here. There they are.
What?
It looks like everybody's healthy. Everybody's huddled up right now because they're trying to stay warm. Don't peck your sister like that.
Oh my.
Okay, so what you gotta do is, wait, let me make sure this is all.
They're so black.
Yeah, these are barred rock chickens. They're gonna be the stripy type. So what you gotta do is you gotta pick them up, dip their beaks in the water so they drink, and then you put them over by the food and they'll figure that out. Alright, so, oh, they're so little. Alright, so you just dip their beak in. Come on, Miss Thing. And it's very important that you make sure that they actually like get a drip of water. Because once they figure that out, you just dip their beak in.
Oh, he good now?
Yeah, so she's probably scared right now because all her sisters aren't with her, and she spent the past 24 hours with them. Alright, so you took a drink, you're good. Alright, 4 more to go. Oh, hey baby.
Wow, they are really huddled together.
Yeah, they're trying to stay warm.
How many are there again? Oh,
6.
snap. It only looked like 3.
So when they're this young, they need to be kept at 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or have access to a space that's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So typically on the farm, if these were raised by a hen, she would be 90 degrees and they can spend as much time under her as they want. But these weren't hatched by any of my hens, so I have a brooder light. Oh, look at Chi-Chi trying to get in. She's like, let me get to my babies. Okay, girls. Oh, look at this one on my foot.
She thinks you're the hen.
Yeah, she thinks I'm the hen.
You're the mom.
Okay. So everybody drank. Hopefully they'll put this one a little closer to her water, baby. Yeah, I think she got watered.
Whoa.
You try food? Don't want that.
Pack. Alright. The majority of them have eaten and drank. Or everyone drank. And I think
The size of
I'm
the
pretty
feet.
sure everyone ate.
And have big feet.
Oh, they have
too.
enormous feet. Chi-Chi!
She's so upset. Bye, babies. Have a nice nap. See you later.
Good night, girls.
Oh my
they're so
god.
cute.